Hey, Ron Paulk here. I came across a video on YouTube showing Alan's Smart Woodshop with an interesting twist. He set it up so that he can power it with his DeWalt batteries. Check this out. This is a quick video. I'll put a link to it down below so you can go check it out. Make sure you give him a thumbs up and tell him you want more information. And also, if you come across any videos on YouTube showing the Awesome Rolling Toolbox or Smart, see, there it is. There's the battery. Is that cool? And he's going to show you plugging it in here. And there's sound and everything, but I've muted that. But if you do come across a video of a Smart Woodshop or one of the Paulk workbenches on YouTube, send me a link so that I can go on and do a video like this and point people through it. A lot of times they'll not have a lot of views, and so I can show my subscribers and you guys can see what all the rest of you are doing. Hey, if you want a set of the Awesome Rolling Toolbox plants, you can click on the link right here in the video. And also remember, to support this channel, you can use my Amazon link also in the description of the video. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and go over and check out Alan's video. Have a great day.